Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we are going to tackle a common issue with the Nintendo Switch, a non-reparable battery and motherboard problems. If you find yourself in this predicament, don't worry, I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, let's gather our tools. You will need a Phillips number 00 screwdriver, a Y00 tri-wing screwdriver, a plastic spudger, tweezers, an anti-static wrist strap for safety, isopropyl alcohol and cotton swabs for cleaning. Now, let's begin by powering off the Nintendo Switch completely. This is crucial to avoid any short circuits during the repair process. Next, use the Y00 tri-wing screwdriver to remove the screws located on the back panel. There are 4 screws to take out. Keep them in a safe place so you don't lose them. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using your plastic spudger. Be careful not to damage the clips. Inside, you'll see the battery and the motherboard. If the battery seems swollen or damaged, it's essential to replace it immediately. If you're unsure about diagnosing the problem, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you know the exact issue before proceeding. Carefully disconnect the battery by removing the connector with your tweezers. Once disconnected, you can remove the battery completely. If you need a replacement, ensure you get a compatible battery for your Nintendo Switch model. Now, let's inspect the motherboard. Look for any visible signs of damage, such as burn marks or loose connections. If you notice any corrosion, use isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab to clean the affected area gently. If you're not comfortable handling these delicate components, don't forget that we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your device repaired without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just convenience. After cleaning, reconnect the new battery. Ensure that all connections are secure. Once everything is reassembled, it's time to test your Nintendo Switch. Power it on and verify that it charges and functions correctly. If you encounter any issues or the device doesn't power on, remember we offer a quote before repair. This way, you'll know the cost involved before committing to any further repairs. Finally, once everything is working, carefully reattach the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure all screws are tight, but be cautious not to over-tighten them as this could damage the device. Congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Nintendo Switch battery and motherboard issues. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.